Costco account registration sign up guide. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser in the search bar, search for Costco.com. Costco is known for carrying top quality national and regional brands with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Members also can shop for private label products designed to be equal or better quality than national brands, including juice, coffees, cookies, housewares, luggage, clothing, and many more. Click on the sign in/register option on the top beside the search bar. In the web page that appears next, if you already have an account, enter your password and click on sign in and enjoy shopping. If you don't have an account and want to create a new account, tap on the create account option. Now enter your credentials and fill in the text boxes here. Enter your email address, your password, re-enter your password. If you have a membership number, enter that too. If not, you do not have to worry since it is optional. Now click on the small checkbox you see there to receive emails about special promotions and new products. And finally, click on the Create Account button. With this, you have successfully created Costco account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.